Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this time we will learn how to design this brick in SolidWorks like this. So just start it, click here, click new and click part, click OK. For background I change in plain white. In here we use millimeter, gram second. And we start from front plane, right click on front plane and click sketch. Select circle and draw 4 circle. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Like this. First circle is set in diameter 70. Second circle is set in diameter 130. And third circle I can set in 132. Then for first and for the last circle I set in 190 millimeter for diameter. Like this. So after that, just select feature, click extrude bar or base, select contour, click this face and this face. For direction we can change in mid plane for symmetry part. In here are this brick, so the thickness in here thin. I set in 3 millimeter. Just click OK like this. In here have a gap like this. Okay. So after that, just click this face, right click and click sketch. We start from sorry, before we make a hole we can to click chamfer in here and set chamfer in 0.5 millimeter. For this face and this face, just click OK, click chamfer again, click this face and this face 0.5 millimeter and 45 degree, just click OK like this. Then click this face, right click and click sketch. In here, draw center line to the top in here like this. And set for dimension, the center line in here I set in 42 millimeter and make circle from this point. Set for diameter in 7 millimeter. Then select in here, select circle sketch pattern, click this for any pattern, click this arc and point this point. For number of instance I set in 5. Just click OK. This and click feature, click extrude cut. Direction we change in through all. Just click OK. And click chamfer again, but in here I set in 1 millimeter. Click this face, inner face. Click this face and this face. Just click OK. And right click in again in this face, just click sketch. Draw center line in the top in here like this. Set for diameter in here high in 89 millimeter. And draw line like this, and draw center line again, this point to this point. Set for angle, this center line and this line is set in 90 degree. Click mirror entities, this line and this line, mirror about, click this center line. Okay. Sketch fillet, click this point, but in here I set in 5 millimeter for radius, just click OK. Click center line again in here, draw like this, ensure the center line and this line, click control and click make parallel. For distance and set in 10 millimeter. For the length as set in here, set in 12. This point and this center line I set in 7 millimeter. Like this. And draw circle from this point. Draw again circle in this point. Set the dimension for first circle I set in diameter 5. Second circle I set in 7. of diameter like this. Draw a line this to this, ensure this line and this circle, click make tangent. This line and this this circle and this line, click make tangent to. Make circle again, line again, draw like this to this. This line and this circle, click make tangent. This circle and this line, click control and click make tangent to like this. Then click trim entities, erase in this line and this line like this. And mirror entities to mirror, click this sketch, and mirror about, click this center line. Just click OK and go to feature and click extrude cut. Direction is through all, click OK like this. Just click feature and circle button. For feature and face, click here, cut extrude to in here, and direction, just click this face. Number distance I change in 13. Click OK like this. It's simple like this. Right click again in this face and click sketch. Then draw center line again in here to the top, and draw center line again. Draw center line again. Then is to this. Set for angle this center line, this center line. Set in 15 degree. 15 degree in here like this. Then draw a circle from this point. Set the dimension of circle diameter I set in 145 millimeter. Select line and draw from this edge to this circle. This line, click control, and this center line, click make parallel. Set dimension. This center line and this point I set in 5 millimeter. And mirror entities this line and mirror about, click this center line. Just click OK. Trim entities this like this. And convert entities for this edge, just click OK. And trim entities again this line like this. Sketch fillet in here, take this point and this point, but for fillet parameter I set in 4 for radius. Just click OK. Feature, click extrude cut, and through all, just click OK like this. Select again circle pattern. For feature and face, click this cut extrude 3 and direction, click this face. But in here number instance I set in 7. Just click OK like this. It's simple. Right click again and click sketch on this face, and we can draw center line from this point to this, and convert entities this edge. Just click OK. Trim entities this. Sorry. Sorry, we can trim entities first. Draw center line in here. Draw this to this edge like this. Draw from, we can to repeat in here. And sure, we draw center line from the middle point in here to this, and sure to this edge like this. And draw circle from this midpoint in here, and draw like this For diameter, I set in 7 millimeter. Then in here, click circle sketch pattern. And this button, click the circle. Number instant I set in 7. Just click OK like this, and click feature, click extrude cut. Through all, click OK like this. It's simple. Then after that, click this face again and click sketch, draw circle here like this, and click extrude boss through all, but we can to reverse direction to here. Just click OK. And from this face, right click and click sketch again, draw the circle again, draw like this, and ensure this circle and this edge, click make concentric. Just click smart dimension. For the base dimension in here I set in 15 millimeter. This, click feature and click extrude boss. Direction is blind. For thickness in here I set in 3 millimeter. Click OK, and we can to mirror. Feature to mirror, click this boss extrude 3, and mirror face or plane, click front plane. Just click OK like this. Then click this face, right click and click sketch, draw circle in here, ensure this circle and this edge, click make concentric. Then set the dimension of the circle in here. I set in 4 millimeter, and click extrude cut, select through all. Just click OK like this, and then click here again and click circle pattern again. For feature and face, click extrude cut 1 5, mirror and boss extrude 3 and boss extrude through. Direction, click this face is 7 number of instant. Just click OK. Then we can to apply for the chamfer in here. Chamfer. The chamfer I set in 1.7. Click this edge, 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 and in the back we can set in this edge, select this edge, like this edge, and this edge. Just click OK, and click fillet in here. I want to set fillet in 1.5 millimeter. Click this edge, in here. In here this edge and this edge. In here sketch. I choose a chamfer, actually in fillet in here. Sheets, in sheet, and this edge, 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 and this edge. Just click OK. For chamfer you can edit in here. F chamfer in here. Click edit in here, edit feature. And in here, just click OK. And fillet, we can edit again, edit feature, click this edge, just click OK, and then like this. After that, we can to apply for material. In here, right click. Sorry, before to apply material, we want to make another variant. In here, just right click in this face and click sketch. Draw center line in here. Draw this to this midpoint. Sorry, like that. Then draw circle. Draw two circle in here and here. First, distance for this circle and this point I set in 42 millimeter, and this center of circle and center of the circle I set in 10 millimeter. In here I set in 10 for first circle and 10 millimeter, and for the circle I set in 5 millimeter like this. Draw circle again in here. This circle and this circle, click make tangent. Click this circle and click this circle, click control and click make tangent. In here I set diameter. This circle I set in 7. Yes. And draw line from this circle to this circle. Draw line again for this circle to this circle. Click this line and click this circle, click make tangent. Click this circle and click this line, click make tangent. Click this circle and click this line, click make tangent. Click this circle and click this line, click make tangent. And mirror entities, sorry. Then mirror entities for this line, this circle and this line. We are about click this center line. Just click OK. Then we can do trim entities here. This, and this, like this. And just click feature, click extrude cut. Through all for direction, just click OK. And here we can use circle button again for feature and face. Click cut extrude seek. For direction, click this face. Number on stand I set in 5. Just click OK, and done. It's simple. We can to change material, right click and edit material. For example, in here I set in for example AISI 305 and apply and click close. And we can to change in here the color for the feature in here. Sorry, we can to select chamfer 4, fillet 1, select in here, and circular cut extrude 5, mirror extrude bus 3, and extrude bus through, extrude cut 4, extrude cut 4 like this. Click control and hold and the edit material like this. Feature for example I set in gray or dark like this. Just click OK, and then it is how to make this break inside box for beginners. This tutorial, I hope this tutorial help you, and I apologize if there are any mistake or error in this material. Thank you for watching until the end video. See you in the next tutorial.